In the previous lecture, we understood what is Spark. Spark is a computing engine and a set of libraries for parallel data processing on clusters. That is what Spark is. So now that we understood what is Spark, let us try to understand what are the different important components of the Spark. As a part of this lecture, we'll try to understand them at a high level. Then in the subsequent lectures, we'll drill down deep into each of the components. Let us get started. If you look at a lower level, we have low-level APIs. We have low-level APIs, which consists of RDDs and also distributed variables. On top of that, we have structured APIs. Structured APIs are very, very important in the current context. That is because before the 2.0 of Spark, RDDs were used extensively. But now, after 2.0, data frames are used extensively. As a part of the structured APIs, we have data frames, we have data sets, and we have SQL. About this, as I said, data frames are used extensively. On top of that, we have important components like streaming. That is for any of the real-time data, will be able to use this component. And apart from that, we have an advanced analytics component. It should have the machine learning libraries and also the graphics component. In the end, on all we have set of libraries. It may be libraries to support the SQL or library to support the data sets, library to support the data frames. We have a set of libraries. These are the important components of a Spark, which we will be studying in detail in the upcoming lectures. Thank you.